If you're an SMMA owner, I want you to copy and paste my $5,000 SMMA monthly offer. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos just like this, and let's get right into it. So if you're an SMMA owner right now and you're doing lead gen, e-com services, ad services, SEO, all these different types of services, I'm gonna give you my $5,000, it's actually $5,500, but $5,000 plus SMA offer that you can copy right now. So this offer is based around a couple of things. So one is, the client gets 2 account specialists on their account, so 2 account managers, which would probably be yourself, and then an account manager. They get 2 media buyers on the account, so another 2 media buyers to help them obviously run multiple traffic sources. So we're running Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and TikTok, and that is in the $5,500 offer monthly. Okay, so obviously a client who's spending that much a month, they have a budget for each platform as well, so that they're qualified. The next part of this is the weekly coaching calls. So they get weekly coaching calls with myself every single Wednesday at noon. So all these high-level business owners can come onto the chat, and we can all obviously collaborate, and they can all get value, and they can become a part of my private ecosystem. So that's another value piece. The other thing is the SMS. Okay, so we also do SMS for most of these clients, and we do email marketing. So we're doing daily campaigns, we're doing welcome sequences, we're doing flows, we're doing nurtures, we're doing appointment reminders, we're doing tags, email segmentation, all of these things that allow them to take their email list that they've built for so long and now churn it. And what I do with the email part is I say, hey, listen, it's $5,500 for the service, but email is $2,000 of that. And what I'm willing to guarantee you is that if I can't make you $2,000 back on your email list, then I'll give you the $2,000 back. So technically the service is only $3,500. And for a lot of people, they say yes right off the rip because the email guarantee is just so strong. And it's really hard to not get a client results with email. And just to give you some type of context specifications for this, okay, email, you need to realize that on average, for low ticket e-com stores to mid ticket e-com stores, about 70 cents to $1 per subscriber per month. So if they have 5,000 emails on their list, you should be able to make them, between $3,000 and $5,000. So that guarantee with them makes sense. If they're high ticket and they're 5,000 emails, then they should be able to make $1.50 to $2 a subscriber. So with 5,000 emails, about $10,000 a month from that email list. So you can map your guarantees based on that, and you're just sending 1 email a day to a book call or a best-selling product or what they're gonna buy next. Like, it's just simple emails, very short, text only, not a lot of images. We use Klaviyo for Shopify and for a lot of the lead gen and local service businesses. It's ActiveCampaign or Go High Level. So that's how we map that offer and then wrap that guarantee. And so that is my $5,000 SMA offer. They sign for 3 months. So that's a $16,500 LTV if they sign on. So it's a great LTV. And also they're higher quality business owners. They don't bother you as much. They're not as needy. They do what they're told as far as onboarding and deliverables and getting you what you need to obviously deliver the results. That also includes Zapier automation. So if they're lead gen, we're setting up their Zapier automation to make sure that we can text sales reps with lead form leads on TikTok and Facebook, and also setting up some other automations on like a Google Sheet and also their email. So make sure that the whole system's set up and that they get to keep all the assets as well. A lot of agencies white label stuff and they don't let the client keep the asset. With that $5,500 package, the client keeps everything once they're done. So that's how I wrap my $5,000 offer. I hope you use this and copy and paste it and build the right deliverables in your business around it so that you can start charging $5,000 a month for your services. So obviously like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys a ton. Helps us put out more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video as well. Peace.